A day in the life of Danny the cat. Danny wakes up, eats, finds a private place in the garden. He returns, plays with the plants, and sleeps. Danny wakes up, eats, inspects the garden, finds a cozy place, and sleeps.
Danny wakes up, comes indoors, inspects the carpet, watches himself, and sleeps.
Danny wakes up, goes in the garden, over the fence, has a fight with Ginger, makes a date with Sandy, climbs onto next door's shed and sleeps.
Danny wakes up, comes indoors, rolls up the chair, rolls up a human leg, sharpen his claws on a home leg, eats and sleeps.
Danny wakes up, eats, watches a nature program, finds a private place in the garden, finds Sandy in next door's garden. Next door's dog finds Danny. Sandy runs north.
Danny runs home, eats and sleeps. Danny wakes up, checks for mice, checks for birds, checks for dogs, checks for food, finds a private place in the garden, eats and sleeps. Danny has having faint, struck cats, watching and spacing spreads. He laughs like cats treats. Every night he covers himself in spits. Then he eats and sleeps.